Welcome. If you want to update firmware in your Xiaomi Mi Desk Lamp Pro, at first you have to open your Mi Home application. Next you have to select your lamp and then tap on the three dots in the right upper corner. And right now we have to select firmware update. As you can see, we can upgrade, so tap right here. We have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, you can decide. Okay, as you can see, the upgrade is successfully. So we can just turn it on, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.